we're gonna take a look at this tragic incident. It's a little bit emotional when a fishing trip turned out not so good. Hey, so right now I'm going to revisit something I haven't seen in a while. It's a little bit emotional, but I figured I'd just go do a little bit of exploration filming to capture this tragic moment when a fishing trip turned out not so good. It's hard to even see it, but whew. I really feel bad for these people. Man, let's check it out. So all they wanted to do is go on a quick fishing trip, and it resulted in tragedy because of a tree that was down in the middle of the road. Oh man, look at this. Oh. Caused them to swerve off the road. High centered. Man. Airbags. The airbags are what saved their life. That's all that saved their life. But this thing is completely destroyed. Oh my gosh. I haven't seen it this close, so look, rocks inside. Inside. Whole seat, everything here is demolished. Everything. Oh, thank God they lived. Look at this. Look at that. Oh man. I'm so glad they survived. Just be careful when you're going fishing. Take it easy. You know, don't be in a rush. Don't be in a rush, folks. Hey, to those of you that were involved in that accident, I just wish you a quick recovery. I'm glad you're alive. And, you know, they're just fish. So I think if we all just enjoy these moments, don't get too worked up, don't fly around trying to get to that next fishing spot. Be safe out there. You know, there's a lot of dangers fishing. I've hiked over log jams. I've scaled down cliffs. I've been out on jetties, and it's a dangerous game. So please be careful out there, because you want to be around to tell people about that awesome fish story, that PB that you got. Just be safe, be careful. God bless you.